Okay, it's the last day of the weekly language review for the week. So let's tackle this Thursday. Here we go. Which word from Monday's list means a thing accomplished with effort? And so I'm looking at the words here: contentment, sickness, achievement, sadness, alignment, dictum, verdict, and wilderness. And the answer would be achievement. Right? When you earn an award at school, it is an achievement, something that you put effort into. The next thing we have is the correct verb tense. And in the correct verb tense, we are looking for a past tense verb. I know that because it says she worked. This is already past tense, so that must mean that the other verb within the sentence is also past tense. Otherwise, it wouldn't make any sense. She worked hard and studied. Studied, studied. Again, this is one of those words where we drop the Y and we add an I and then the E and the D ending. Okay. Add a comma. I cannot seem to remember her name. So this is a compound sentence. I have two sentences here. I really have two sentences here. I cannot seem to remember her name is one sentence. And I remember everyone else's name in the room is a second sentence. And they're complete sentences. So this is my conjunction, and my comma goes before my conjunction. So I cannot seem to remember her name, yet I remember everyone else's name in the room. Sorry, guys, I'm going to actually take a moment and focus this because it seems a little hazy to me. And this time I didn't even have a cat laying in the middle of it. All right, here we go. Yesterday we already highlighted the clues when we did the problem. Name the figurative language idiom, which again is just a common saying that is figurative and not literal. Hyperbole, which is an exaggeration, usually a gross exaggeration. And similarly, comparison of two unlike items using like or as to link them. So we are about to watch a movie, hit the lights. So here we have an idiom, hit the lights. It's like telling somebody to break a leg, right? Those are idioms. They're sayings that we use, even though we don't actually mean for you to walk over there and hit the lights. That probably wouldn't help you very much, especially because lights are often so far above your head. I'm not entirely sure how you would get to them to hit them. In this case, what do we mean? We mean turn off the lights. Now, why don't we use turn off the lights? Why do we use hit the lights? It's a bit of excitement in the statement, hit the lights, instead of turn off the lights. This is a little more exciting sounding. So that's oftentimes one of the reasons we use idioms, because it just sounds so much better, so much cooler. But it is also what makes our language very difficult to learn for somebody who isn't from the United States, because hit the lights, when you're learning that, idioms or understanding how idioms work are often very difficult because you don't know if hitting the lights is literal, like you really are supposed to hit the lights, or figurative, like, well, if it's figurative, how do I figure out what hit the lights means? So it does make our language a little more difficult to learn. And last but not least, we have circle the correct pronoun. Is it subjective or objective? So I'm going to move this list up so you can see my subjective versus objective. Notice the placement. It's in the very beginning. And they're the ones that need more time. So we already know that this is subjective because they're the subjects that are doing something. They're the subjects of the sentence. And then we have to choose. Is it they need more time for their project or them need more time for their project? In this case, it's they need more time for their project. Again, that aligns with subjective. Okay. I hope you all do very well tomorrow on your weekly language review quiz. Good night.